And this is amazing. Video footage confirms presence of Ukrainian special forces in Sudan. Ukrainian special forces conduct operations in Sudan against the Russian Wagner PMC and their local allies from the Rapid Support Forces, who tried to stage a coup d'etat in April. This is incredible news for us, because it shows the capabilities of the Ukrainian army, which manages to match the Russians, not only in Ukraine, but also manages to attack targets in Russia, but also to operate in Africa, where the Russians are trying to expand their influence. And let's see the update on the Robotyne-Verbove sector. Ukrainian forces have been conducting a successful offensive operation along the line between Robotyne and Kopani. Large assault groups of up to 30 fighters have broken through the Russian line of trenches there and now control a corridor southward towards Ilchenkovo, which, I believe, they will exploit to flank Novoprokopivka from the west, as well as pressure Kopani from the east and south. And a series of explosions in Crimea, several areas were without power. The Crimean bridge is closed. "23 S-300V vehicles being transported in Russia. We can see this pretty much comprises of multiple systems, all of which are needed to create a functioning S-300V air defense battery. Russian kamikaze UAV strike on Ukraine's Orlivka, recorded from Romania's Azatea.
Mamă! Asta direct în vama a căzut. Wow.
An uncommon, modernized Russian BMP-2M infantry fighting vehicle was destroyed by an FPV loitering munition of the 82nd Air Assault Brigade in Zaporizhia Oblast, with the ammo on board detonating, tearing the vehicle apart. a bunch of Russian POWs were captured by soldiers of the 21st Motorized Battalion Sarmat of the 56th Motorized Brigade during successful assault near Orakhovo-Vasilivka, Donetsk region. A video has appeared where Ukrainian military commissars from Vinnytsia in a restaurant announce prices for their services for draft dodgers. Combat agenda, $2,000, white ticket, $10,000, one-time trip abroad, $3,500. At the end of September, the State Bureau of Investigation reported the arrest of officials from the Vinnytsia. Ukrainian Special Operation Forces Riverine operations with Special Operations Center East. Russian propaganda in its finest trough, the Vice Speaker of Russian Parliament, Anna Kuznetsova. Our fighters liberating Svetogorsk found commercial documents on the sale of children in an orphanage. There are references to British PMCs. One of the payers was the Coca-Cola Company.
Наши бойцы, освобождая Светогорск, обнаружили в детском доме коммерческие документы о продаже детей. Есть ссылки на британские ЧВК. Один из плательщиков была компания Coca-Cola. Я знаю, что коллеги занимаются непосредственно работой в этом направлении. Уверен, что более подробно об этом скажет. Добавлю лишь одно. И эту тему я считаю крайне важной, вот этот аспект этого преступления. Уважаемые коллеги, 7% от доходов бюджета Украины, $2 миллиарда, это у нас доход от черной трансплантации.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.